Oh, Shegwe, finally. My people, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Now, welcome to our Bunga program, Iziga, when we say na crime and security. Now we talk about, as I always talk, my mind is sweet me well. Second say I know so na kandak digba. For na various places, una want watch the top Bunga tori, we want carry coverage to na for Iziga for this week. I wanna know the reason why we dey greetings. Now, second say no time. Where crime no they happen. They happen in the morning, they happen in the afternoon, see they happen in the night. That is why at any particular time when this crime comes shele, once it's the crew call get informed, we go reach there, go find out what really happen. Well, my people, my name na Wellington Akodeja.
My people, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We don't come again, and we know so not to that bafuna. Wherever on a day, they listen to this our Bunga program. My name na Osaze Omogiate. Quick, make I run down the security numbers for una. This one will just dey screen so. This one na police number. In case na get any yawa for area, una call this Edo State Police Command and their control room number with this. Before you know, Kia police on there with you. And quick, make us still let you know, say all police control room, both one with the Edo State, with the Lagos State, with the Ondo State, with the Ekiti, with the Delta State, go reach every corner for Obodo, Nigeria. Once you fit call one control room, yeah, what they happen, they fit even give you information when it concerns every other state. Now, quick, this now the other number when it concerns Civil Defense Corps. Civil Defense Corps, na people will be say, then too, they run matter like police. When you call them, before you know, they don't deal with you. Kia for you on a day. Then this other one, now the way concern NDLEA. NDLEA, now people when you be say their matter concern drug, and when you be say for area, now we discover say some persons that they carry drug, that they sell, that they smoke. But if you get any information when you say concern this drug matter, once you call this operation strong for NDLEA, they will come they will come make some arrest, come make sure say that area they clear the way it's supposed to be. This other one now, the one way concern people when you be say, if you be say fire come up for area and they don't know what they will do. This number, now don't concern fire service. When you call them, they will come come help and quench the fire. Fire they happen for house, they happen for company, they happen for anywhere. And if you say okay, you won't even burn your farm, make you say you start your plan, and when the thing don't shell it, you don't feel quench them. You can still get out to call fire service so that the fire now will come spread, can go reach residential area. Then this other number will just run for the bottom line. So for the television screen, and one way concern all the Zigan crew member. If you call anyone, they will respond. My people, we hear the start.
Yes, so my people will sit there here. Our fourth story for Izigan for this week, we say one man for Ondo State does scatter the Bermuda Triangle of his two daughters for inside a house. So some youth for Aduawa community don't enter trouble. Sake of say the man when they beat carry come out. The family of the man never see the body till today. Despite the coronavirus pandemic where we see the ravage everywhere, Alemajeris, they see they enter the state from left side and center. Young girl when like money where he don't conduct for police net. Sake of say he won't chop plenty money. We'll go for a small break. Once we come, we'll knock on our fourth story for Izigan for this week.
My people, una don hear about the new sickness where they kill people all over the world, where they call coronavirus. This sickness no dey look face so as it fit by person sharp. One of the ways to know say person don't get am, now when the person get fever and come dey cough and sneeze join, and it come dey hard the person to breathe. If it don't come be that oh, the sickness not get any vaccine, treatment or cure now. How you fit make sure say you not get am and say this sickness not spread? Since the way to get am na when you breathe am in or through your eyes and mouth, the better thing to do na to wash your hands every time with soap and running water for at least 20 seconds. Try make you no dey touch your eyes, nose and mouth. When you wan cough or sneeze, use tissue paper take cover your mouth or nose and throw away the tissue wella one time and quick wash your hand. Tissue wey you go use throw away better pass handkerchief wey you go use put for pocket o. If you no get tissue, use the corner of your elbow take cover your mouth when you wan cough or sneeze. No dey touch things anyhow. The more wey you no take touch surfaces, hand rails, ATM buttons and many more, the more e go hard for the sickness to reach where you dey. Try make you no dey near people too much, especially the one wey get cold, cough and dey sneeze well. Some people fit don get am o, but e never show wella for him body. If you get fever, cough and to breathe come dey hard, quick call Edo State Infectious Diseases Response Team with these numbers: 080-840-96723 or 080-642-58163 or 080-358-35529. Or waka go the isolated centers wey dey Edo State for Stella Obasanjo Hospital, University of Benin Teaching Hospital UBTH, Irua Specialist Hospital, Edo Central Hospital, Edo Specialist Hospital, and Auchi General Hospital. No get coronavirus, and if you get am, no spread am. This message na from Independent Television and Radio.
Yes, so my people, this factory na the one wey be say e get as e dey be, when be say one man wey dey call Femi Onifade, the two children wey follow her dey for inside house. I don't know wetin dey worry among. Now e come start to dey scatter their Bermuda Triangle. When they come discover say these children come dey sick some kind sickness, now they come carry them go hospital. They come go do small tests. They come discover say nothing dey there at all. Now the person wey run this matter come go report to Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, where we say e dey for Ondo State. They come check the matter. They come discover say, man, actually the Bermuda Triangle of these two small children, when we say their age now between 7 and 9, they don't vandalize them like people when they dig pipeline. So I call happen when we say the spokesman for Ondo State NSCDC, when we say his name now Olufemi Omole, because say this kind of thing will happen. So he say Lila, it no good at all. Man, when supposed to they, lead, they guide the children. Now it start to they vandalize their Bermuda Triangle. But as we speak to you now, even the Ondo State government, they don't get interest for this particular case. And this particular man, he will face the full wrath of the law.
Akodeja. I'm not sure say that man head correct.
You know, go jump trailer.
Because the reason why make me talk, you know, say this word going with this one. Many things they happen. You go to see human being like this, you go to say normal. Whereas, if you be say no normal, you go just dress, you go just look good. You go to say normal. But at the end, you come find and say, if they check that person, you discover say no normal at all. Imagine picking when you use your body born. Two small children, when you be say their age never go. They never even reach
7-9.
They never even reach puberty stage. Puberty age, when you be say you okay from 11, 12, nowadays now even 11. They never even reach like that. Now you begin carry your rastabola, begin use and they search for what you know, where you not care for inside their body. That man, the way me see him, made them carry that man. First of all, they will go do a psychiatric test. After psychiatric test, they will now come persecute that man the way it's supposed to be. Because for an adult, not be say you even do it to somebody else. You're all picking when you born. If you say those children, now in God bring them through to this life. So he come to say, he get right to do and undo for what he concern their body. Akodeja, this matter so not be matter when it go easy. Not be matter when any normal human being go hear. He will say, okay, make it take like that. Even me as I sit down here, so my body dey hot for this matter. I pray make the Ondo State government make them carry this matter to where it was supposed to reach. We go follow up with this matter. We go give una details how this matter work out. Because if they leave this kind of person for our society, things go dey spoil more and more. If you say, okay, as if you say, now he born there, he can't do anything. The life of those children, Oga, God not put up on your hand, say, now you go dey remote them the way you like. God only give you those children, make you raise them for am. E no say make you dey use them the way that they use bobozin or the way that they use wetin they go call am now slippers.
Yes. Osaze, if you see the medical examination when the hospital break come out, shows that, you know, you don't finish the children.
Aye.
You understand? But you remember one of the programs what we do when we say now Pakistan, now the level be when we say this particular man go defy, he go vandalize the Bermuda Triangle of about 5-year-old. This thing. What the presidency do for the country? They carry and come out in public glaring. They hang am for up, draw the level. The man died. That's to show, say, if you get any intention of doing that.
But now what did their constitution talk with that? Oh? If our constitution not put hand like that, it no go fit happen for here. Oh. How do you know?
I understand.
So now that one, you know, let me tell you one thing. I tell you just now. It get for the same abroad when you talk just now. Some kind of like this go happen. They will carry and go psychiatry. They will check am. Maybe for them they will come and say something wrong with her. They not go jail am. But the man will live to regret his life till he die. Me, I believe, say, to teach person lesson, better pass say to finish that person, kwata, go just come out. How the person go tell learn lesson?
Yes, so my people, this particular story get the way it be. This what call happen when we say one woman when they come is Franca or more in your heart called crime. Cry come out say a husband inaugurate Siam. Now who call the house and say what really happen when you inaugurate Siam again? He say there be day one joint where we say there be the you know, they enjoy themselves. Now some youth where we say they believe say now they get power for inside our community. They call come, they beat the husband, put on for inside motor driver come on. He says since that day he don't know what happened. Make we hear from the woman as soon as we come. We'll go find out from police what the police they do to ensure say they recover the husband. So
my husband was not there, but they were all sitting in another side. They came out with a dangerous weapon. That is how they attacked the people sitting there. After all said and done, he said my husband was captured, they tortured him and took him away. When they report the matter to the DPO there, the DPO called the man called Afro. We are going to DPO, the man called the Afro called the son, Osasu. He should release the man in his custody. So according to them, they said Osasu told the father, they left the man the same day, but they dealt with him. They beat him, they dealt with him, but they left him. About 4 days now, I've not seen my husband. We tried every means just to get where we're about. We've been to different hospitals. I even went to hospital, mortuary to check my husband in any of the mortuary so that I can see me. Nothing, but the matter is in CID now. They are still telling me they are working. I don't know what to do again. I'm confused. I have 4 children. I'm confused.
well, that one, Madam Franca, well, is quite an unfortunate incident. We will hear from the police public relation officer when we say in name na DSP Chidi Unwambozo. Say, well, they don't arrest suspect. The suspect don't confess to the crime, not to have killed the man, but they agree say they carry the man come off for the scene of the incident. They can't go bitter, can't dump her for them. But where the body, now be the issue.
Barrister Iyoha Oso Base Omo was kidnapped by one Osasu Osadolo Afro and his gang. During investigation, one Osasu Osadolo Afro was arrested. 3 other gang members were equally arrested. These 4 men confessed to the crime, that they had quarrel with the adopted barrister and took him away. Along the roadside, according to them, they dropped him and went their way. But the irony is that the barrister, up to now as we speak, has not been seen.
Yeah, on PPRO Edo State Command, say, well, as the matter being, the suspects see the inside police custody and investigation is ongoing. I don't really know why somebody go decide to carry law, you know, to the deal with people as if probably in a God on his own.
Some people see themselves as law enforcement agency. Even when they not permit them. Some people, they see themselves as soldier men. Even when they not permit them.
No uniform.
No uniform. On their own, they just make up their mind. Begin to they do and undo. But you know the funniest thing? No. When they come nab them, that time they'll come and say, you know, I know it's the work of the devil and
this is my first time.
Look what you just talk now. What you just hammer now. How? See, just imagine that kind of ordeal. Husband and wife, they riemu for corner, they stay one joint, they enjoy. Perhaps in a very happy mood.
They say na birthday celebration. Oh.
You see, huh? Then they happy, then they can't carry the man, come on. Go torture him. They abandon the man somewhere. Now, the man never see come house. What did the woman they
over 2 weeks, so
yes, what did they used to tell us now? Who know whether the man come as he want run, where he run go, he don't die put there. Who know where the man dey now? Nobody. My brother, those people, I beg, we will follow this matter well.
Usaze, you know what
make them find out how they do this man and make them confess for that how the man or where they keep the man body.
My brother,
it don't make sense now.
You see what we supposed to do, another thing when, as in the Nigeria Bar Association supposed to do. This same
what you concern Nigeria Bar Association for?
The
them?
man a lawyer.
A coco,
full lawyer.
So learned fellow people.
Learned fellow. This guy think of it happen to learned fellow. What about me and you when we no learn it?
We still dey learned now.
No, we know.
We no say fellow.
No, you know.
We dey learned.
No, that they believe say na the learned part.
We learned. We no be fellow. We are learned.
They no dey agree.
Yeah, when I saw.
Now this one a challenge to them.
Very well.
As learned people.
Very well.
Let us see how learned they
but
are.
But me and you also need to still see how valid
No.
this action is. Because if this matter go like that, it no go clear. Imagine how that woman go feel. You just come pick my husband for where we dey remove. Then not be just to say okay, they touch am small, bring am back. If the thing don dey demand for chair don dey bend or something, the woman fit rush am go hospital. But this one, for my present, you carry my husband comot, then e don yawa now. When my husband dey no see, you get the audacity to talk say una just beat am leave am for somewhere. That confession go clear well.
The matter be say even where they say they keep am, them at the kidnapping don't reach there. They don't go unravel the place, they don't see the body. Where this man caught this is over 2 weeks. You understand? Their indications probably, as you talk, whether as a torturer, as they go, he can't do this thing, or probably due to the torture, they can't see and say whether he die or they can't go, you know, understand? So these are issues that need to be unraveled because if the Nigeria Bar Association keep quiet and well-meaning individuals, you know, see the truth for this matter. Okay,
now our hand is still there. We just the thought here now. That means we need to follow as we come out here now in our movement now. That's because not be the way PRO tell us now we just relax. Yeah. We need to follow up. That's what matter they be. Now make people believe for Iziga.
What? Despite the coronavirus, where we say everybody they run to not contact the level. You see this thing now. You see they with me here with the wash hand everywhere. Then some kind of persons just they enter the town from left, right, and center. This what can happen. When I see the video now, then they come. What it make their nyash no they feel they make them sit down for their side if it's too good.
Area that I enter motor to come here. So there is a woman that supply me apple at Eho here. Eho. So she told me that she has product. That I should come and carry it. That's why I entered this.
I say I enter from Zaria. So as I never travel with this man. And the man in there why?
Some people they do carpenter, some people they do clearing, some people they do driver for bike. Now I come from Benin. I want to do work.
I don't see the matter don't tire us, so we'll continue to pray as we try to take precautionary measures as put in place by the federal and state government. We still pray to God Almighty, say that any one of them where he beat the security checkpoint enter, we no go near them, they no go near us.
But I don't understand. No?
Some people they do carpenter, and people they do clearing, some people they do driver for bike. Now I come from Benin. I want to do work.
Europe, when it be say people from north, when they flood Jibiri, they come south, like say they not seen before. The thing they very, very funny. And this coronavirus time, now because this one at daytime, now they fit catch them now. What of the one where they enter for night? This coronavirus now, you know if you know get them until you test. Now, this kind of movement will be illegal movement now. Not be say if government now take them up, not be say they will fit do anything because now one Nigeria. You can enter. But where the error there, Akodeja,
Yes.
when some people they look, you say, as they say, stay where you did first. After everything, you will fit travel. But they're not still here. They still hide themselves for a trailer. With Malu, with the sick, they hide with Malu, cover themselves. See enter road they come. Now there, now we go question the matter. So what do you day for? We say, I beg. All this border, who say you want really block the border, make it block and where? We hear say some people see they travel for night. You understand me now? We even hear say back during the day, some country they take place, something they touch something. And where block before, if na iron dey there, if na block, the way the block till they vanish, iron till they vanish, they know again. Road where they don't block before, when it close, you can't open. I say not today.
He's a miracle worker.
This call for concern. If we dey do this to make we do it because of the health of everybody, we dey say, hey, na so this one. Who come from far distance, he get only one person, he don't endanger many people when he jam. Akodeja, this matter na serious matter. When every state governors or state government will take serious. If you block your border, block am well. Not be say they go block and they go to use man, they appreciate the block. Then something go to touch something. What if they put for road go to vanish one time? Later I go there again. Later I go vanish. I don't want to talk finish.
Well, it's okay. I believe say our government they go listen to this program and they go take measures to ensure say all these illegal immigrants no go fit again access into the state unnecessarily. We know say make they no come aboard, come legitimately. Yes, so my people, this particular story, it get the way it be. This one can happen where be say one girl where believe say he like money well. In call video a friend when we say a friend they naked. I say video a friend because then I don't give a friend call the demand for money. Which kind of call be this one? Now you see money now, you know coffee shop money. Make we hear from her, make it let us know what really happened concerning these allegations when they put for her head, though she agree anyway.
What is your name?
Jessica.
How old are you?
I'm 23.
23 years old.
What do you do for a living?
I work in the production office company.
How long have you been working?
For a year and
What is the name of the company?
large house at Maryland.
At where?
Maryland.
So what else do you do?
Nothing. That was where I was working before I relocated to Abuja.
Did you attend any school?
No, I'm not in school yet.
So where do you stay in Lagos?
I don't be in Lagos now. I'm in my boyfriend's house.
You stay in your boyfriend. Where is your boyfriend's house?
Jakonde.
Eh?
Sorry, artist, I am beggar.
Beggar. You said Jakonde or Beggar. Where is Beggar?
Who is staying at Jakonde? Who is staying at Jakonde?
Nobody, I just made a mistake.
So what brought you here?
I blackmailed my friend
How did you blackmail him?
because I needed money.
How did you blackmail him?
I videoed him.
Videoed him dancing?
No, naked.
You videoed him what?
Naked.
And what did you not do with it?
I didn't do anything with it. I only threatened him to send me money so that I can use it to buy iPhone.
How did you threaten him?
I told him I was going to expose the video.
Where? Expose it where?
I told him I would send it to his wife, not online. I didn't say I will expose it online, just that I will send it to his wife, but I didn't have his right number.
He now sent you how much?
Send me 175k. 75k.
175,000 naira.
185, sorry.
185,000. He sent that to you. Then why did you not call you? Your agreement was after sending him that you delete that thing.
Yes, but my sister she was sick. That was why I asked for extra 50,000. She had ovary infection. She just had a miscarriage.
You not ask for extra
50,000.
What did you tell him? What did you tell him before asking for the?
I just lied to him that the phone the new one is 220 something thousand. That's what I told him. So if you send me more 50,000.
That if he doesn't send it, what will you do?
I told him that if he doesn't send it, I will expose the video. But after I called him in the morning and he said he's going to send it, I deleted the video from my phone.
What was he doing in the video that you recorded?
He was naked.
You showed all his private part on his face?
Yes.
And you threatened him with that?
Yes.
He first sent 185,000 naira to you?
Yes.
When you now needed more money, you now called him again. That if he doesn't send money, you will.
Hey! Usaza, this one now, what they call oputuputu. You see, now you video somebody when you say he dey naked and are your friend. Whether or not do something together or not do, but there is an evidence of relationship and all that. If naturally, as me and you did, so I know if you dey naked for your public. For inside where we did. Now you don't succeed to
No, talk that word again, not clear. I don't understand.
No, what you are trying to let you know. There must be a kind of an harmonious relationship between me and you. You understand? Whether girl or boy, for me to have had the confidence of pulling my clothes in present of you. So this particular person now pull clothes. Then this one video. If video and I cut they do blackmail. Cause they say made the guy give her money or made the person give her money. Say if you don't give her money, he go post the level. He succeeded in collecting about 185,000. You understand? What do you want to use the money do? He say he won't buy high phone. Small time now, because the money no reach for the kind high phone when he need. He cost the request for 50k. Now the person write petition. When petition show now, go collect money. Now I reach there, now the whole activity come. Now I don't regret. You understand?
My brother, this matter so. On a more serious note, this video of a thing. Now mad the video show now. It's clear. Now woman I do. Maybe now when me go they happen. Maybe now this recording come on board. You know say me go get the way take the mood.
In a commando-like manner.
It's different. It's a different mood. And this Megweswegbo, so where this man come dey before they do this thing. And they still do and finish. You know, seize that for make you delete this thing come on. So this one a criminal act.
Of the highest order?
Yes. To work on blackmail. And that one in another year I come clear say, he begin with dollar money before. He no reach. Now this one tell this police matter so. I think with that first one do now, he don't dollar such money. Boza. As if say nothing happen. When you go see and go clean her clinic, as if say no dollar money. My brother.
Osaze, you see, we still need to warn our youngest.
Yes.
The man now may have succeeded in paying you that money.
The contract.
You understand? To pay you. But in conscience, no go rest. He go fit go after you. Not the money you want.
No.
Then that is why you see some kind of thing go happen to some persons because they say, oh, that fine girl. That is why we always tell people when they watch this particular program, you go try to see how far you fit remove your hand come off for batting because batting is no good. My name now Wellington Akodeja.
My people, my name now Saze Omogiate.
Well, till this same time station, my people, una bye bye yo.